Well, this is a quick Ableton test, seeing how the video and the quality of the video will go and how it all sounds. So I'm going to do a quick 5-minute video on how to sound like a virtuoso without any prior musical knowledge. So first of all, we need to start live. Wait for that to come on. And keep waiting. And there we go, and it starts with a default audio and MIDI section. First thing to be aware of is make sure this little piano keyboard thing's highlighted. That'll allow you to play musical notes using your computer's keyboard. Right, first of all we need to go make sure we're in the device browser. Go to Instruments, Instrument Rack, choose something like a nice string sound, perhaps concert strings, that should be okay. And now if we press the A key on our keyboard, then we can hear it definitely makes a string sound. Now what we need to do is pad that out, because at the moment you just get a single note per key press. But what we can do is if we go to MIDI effects and then go to chord and choose major chord, drag that down here just before the concert strings, and now when you press the key you hear it makes a fuller sound, which is basically a chord, 3 notes held together. Then if you choose a scale, what this does, make sure you put it between the instrument and the chord generator, and what this does is, as you can see, it gives you a matrix, but what it'll do is make sure every note you play is within the scale of C. So that way you don't need any musical knowledge at all, but when you press your keys you'll see they all seem to harmonise together. And then for the final trick, if you go to the arpeggiator, perhaps use something like Bach 16th and put that after the scale generator. And now when you play and hold down, say, the A key, as you see, you get a nice arpeggiated effect and sounds like a virtuoso. So what you can do is if you hold down K, then G, then H, then D, then F, then A, then F, then G, then K, and again G, H, D, F, A, F, G. So there you go, without any musical knowledge and without a full-size piano keyboard, you can play a canon in A minor by Pachelbel in the style of Bach.